not types, many different quantity of the same types. So depending on the cotton is usually white to tannish. The cotton is okay. So I just looked up what do jeans look like without blue dye, and it says depending on the cotton is usually white to tannish. The cotton is usually dyed before. The jeans may be dyed more to increase color. Huh. Yeah. Okay. Jeans that have not been dyed with indigo are called ecru jeans. However, they're more difficult to find. Yeah, because everybody likes, they're blue or brown or black, easy stuff. So basically, everything I have on at this point in time has dye in it. It's color. Who doesn't like color? But it's just kind of ridiculous that this kind of stuff matters, and the fact that this has been like a thing. We've been knowing about this when it comes to the scientists themselves. So when I'm going to look it up right here in the search bar, when were azo dyes discovered? Okay, so chromophores were first discovered in 1863 when Martius and Lightfoot coupled diazonium ions with amines. Within the year, Peter Gries prepared Bismarck Brown, the first azo dye. Okay, by the 1880s, numerous other azo dyes such as Para Red and Premulene Red were developed. So, looks like back in the day, John Peter Gries found azo dyes, but when were azo dyes known carcinogens? When did we find this out? I guess we'll go to the National Institute of Health. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna have to pause, guys. I gotta go to the bathroom. Go to the bathroom, come back. But what I was thinking here was that azo dyes, what I was looking for is when were they found to be carcinogenic. Yeah, that, literally. So, I'm on PubMed, a government website. So the abstract of this, well, the main topic is azo dyes and human health review, right? So when was this? See something about 2017. So review 2017, January the 2nd. Okay, that's it. So the abstract, right, says synthetic azo dyes are widely used in industry. Gerhard's Domag discovered that the antimicrobial effect of red azo dye Prontosil was caused by the reductively cleaved, aka azo reduction, product sulfanilamide. The significance of azo reduction is thus revealed. Azo reduction can be accomplished by human intestinal microflora, skin microflora, environmental microorganisms, to a lesser extent by human liver azoreductase, and by non-biological means. Some azo dyes can be carcinogenic without being cleaved into aromatic amines. However, the carcinogenicity of many azo dyes is due to their cleaved product, such as benzidine. Benzidine induces various human and animal tumors. Another azo dye component, P-phenylenediamine, is a contact allergen. Many azo dyes in their reductively cleaved products, as well as chemically related aromatic amines, are reported to affect human health, causing allergies and other human maladies. What the heck? What the heck? Keywords are azo dyes, cancer, carcinogen, activation, intestinal microbiome. So this stuff literally interacts with your microbiome on your skin, in your intestines, and other things. We can only understand that certain things like the benzidine and whatever that other stuff was which was a contact allergen, and the other one was inducing animal tumors and human tumors in general. We can understand that those two products, that those things that are mixed, that have something to do with azo-diets, right, are bad. Now, I've been seeing this word a lot, amine. I don't even know what that is, to be 100. So, you want to look this up. And amine is an organic compound that contains nitrogen atoms with a lone pair. Basically, they are derived from ammonia, in which one or more hydrogen atoms is replaced by alkyl or aryl group. They are also known as alkylamines, and arylamines, respectively. Now, I don't know anything. I don't know. What does amines do to the body? Amines participate in important metabolic and physiological, psychological, physiological, I don't even know, functions in living organisms. Polyamines are essential for cell proliferations, growth, renewal, and metabolism. They're involved in nearly every step of DNA, RNA, and protein synthesis and regulate the permeability and stability of cellular membranes. So that was actually really important. So for that reason, amines literally have to do with everything that has to do with cell proliferation, growth, renewal, and metabolism. Cell proliferation, I believe, is like making more cells. Like, what the heck? So if there's a bad amine, whatever, because amine is just like a suffix in my opinion. That's what it seems like anyway. But if it's just a suffix, and long story short, whatever the amines on the die side, it has to do something with our cells in protecting the permeability of our membrane, then it could easily break it, make it too permeable, or make it easy to access our cell membranes in each individual cell, and for bad things to happen, breaking the DNA. That's what it sounds like to me, literally. So, just put amine, understand that it has to do with cell growth, cell proliferation, and permeability of the cell membrane. Remember that, and remember that it has to do with the DNA, and just these bad amines on the side of the azo dyes can mess us up, mutate our DNA, because it has mutagenic properties, and then it goes into our DNA. Cell membranes shatters, right? So on a low level, it doesn't hurt so much, of course, but you wear this same thing every single day with the colors and this, that, and the other. Over time, coupled with like a bad diet and, eating cheeseburgers all day, stuff like that, and it's just asking for health issues eventually. So it's, in all seriousness, man, it's just better to just say forget it and go straight for, cotton clothes, just all one thing. Go get some cotton pants. You can get a cotton shirt for about $13. I've seen on that other website. You can get some cotton pants. Apparently, you can get them for like $18. You can get them for like $12. Summer cotton. I don't know what that summer pants. That looks so see-through. Like, whatever. It's just the act of getting them. Just like white cotton clothes is the safest way to go. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna look on Amazon and check that out. I didn't even spell that right. That's ridiculous. Yeah, we're going to check this out. So, I'm on my videos. Let's get it. That was just my roommate here, but we're checking this stuff out on Amazon right now. And if you know me, well, actually, this is going to be the first time I do this here. I'm going to look for something decent, cheap. Trying to look for something cheap, but it looks like, well, these sweatpants are $14, but they're black, so that means that they have a dye used in it. So for women's wear, I mean, there's no legitimately cheap option. I'll have to sit here and say we're gonna okay, I want to end the podcast version because we're pretty much done. So thank y'all for showing up, guys. All right, see ya. No, we're not done yet. I'm lying. Here, we're not done yet, brother. I'm tripping over here. I'm tripping, you guys. I lied, guys. We're not done yet. No, but seriously, on the podcast version, I just want to put y'all on this YouTube video. I'm probably going to title the video "Why Azo Dyes Are Actually Dangerous" on YouTube, Mystic TJ, and I'm gonna put a link over there to go to Amazon and buy some cotton pants and shirts. And the reason I'm using the link is because I do have a partnership. So if I sell something on Amazon, I do get a little profit. So that is real. I'm being honest with you guys. I would appreciate it if you were to actually care enough to get some cotton clothes for yourself, that, you know, we were to just use my link. That'd be pretty nice, just because it will help me feel more reason to go ahead and make more videos, you know, helping, because that stuff matters. Like, I got a reaction channel, and that's good, that's cool, but we want to get more than just that. We want to do something. So yeah, man, thank y'all for just pulling up. All right, so we're done with that one. We're done with the podcast for real this time. But as you can see, I'm just looking through some random stuff. What I'm going to have to say is I'm going to go ahead and end the video here so I can actually get to like making the video and then put it online in 2 different parts, because it's too long for one part. But yeah, I'll see y'all soon.